You can expect a lot from the 2019 Nissan Pathfinder. It features a continuously variable transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, blind spot sensor, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.